Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we are back with another charge test video. This time, we're taking a look at what we consider the fastest wireless charger on the market. I'm talking about the Huawei 27-watt charger. Yes, Huawei mentioned at their launch event, the 27-watt charger is the fastest out there, and we wanted to see how it compares against at least what is currently the fastest as we know it, the Samsung 18-watt charger. Plus, we're going to pair this with the 18-watt wired charger of the iPhone, because wanted to see how at least something comparable in my mathematical sense will work. Now, some of you ask, why not throw in the OnePlus or even the 45-watt charger from the Samsung? Well, those in my calculations will beat it at least an hour on an hour. I figured this would be slightly longer than an hour, so wanted to stick with these here. Now, the wireless charging pad, the 27-watt wireless charging pad, retails for about $39. I have a link for you guys down below if you want to pick it up. It's nice. It's got this fabric look to it. It's got fans built in. USB. It only comes with a USB cable. You do have to use your Huawei 40-watt charger to actually use this. So that is something to take note. But now, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and start the test. So kicking things off, all devices are drained to zero, and of course we're going to start with them empty as we power them on. Now, the Huawei does automatically start as well as the iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead and start the Galaxy as well. So we're all in the same playing field here. So we're going to go through, and the very first time we'll do a check is 10 minutes. We do 10 minutes. We're going to do 20, 30, we'll do 50 and 60, and then we'll see where it stops. So at 10 minutes, the Galaxy is at 5%, Huawei's at 15%, and iPhone's at 16%, which is pretty good for the iPhone. So I do like that there. And the Huawei, that's pretty nice. Now, as we move over to 20%, we see that the iPhone's at 30%, the Mate 30 Pro is at 31%, and the Galaxy's at 12%. So the Galaxy is lagging behind right here, and that 27-watt charger is powering through really well. It feels like a fast wired charger right now to me. I am liking what I see. So we're gonna move up to our next spot, which would be, of course, the 30-minute mark, and we'll see what we have there for time. And in the 30-minute mark, we have the Galaxy is at 19%, the iPhone's at 45%, the Mate 30 Pro is at 43%. So the iPhone has taken the lead here. I mean, it's taken the lead after the 20% mark, but we can see the iPhone is moving forward. Now, will we get that slow trickle charge at the end of the iPhone? Will it affect it in this race? So we're gonna go past 40-minute mark and go to the 50-minute mark. But one thing I do want to point out here is that it's interesting to see a wireless charging pad this fast, comparable to a fast wired charging. I mean, it's just now that we're getting 30-40 watt charging, and this is a 27-watt charger here that can give us some really high speed. So at 50%, iPhone's at 74%, taking the lead. Mate 30 Pro is 68%, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is at 32%. So the Galaxy is way behind. We know it's not going to catch up at this point, but we'll see when we get to that 60-minute mark. 60-minute mark, iPhone's at 81%, while the Mate 30 Pro is at 80%, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is at 39%. Now, from here on, you're going to start seeing the iPhone slow down, and the Mate still go all the way through. That's what happens. The iPhone really slows down when it gets to about that 70 to 80% mark, and this is where the Mate 30 Pro actually catches up. And you're going to see some very interesting results in terms of time. So we move past like an hour 20, hour 22, 23 minutes, and we're at the hour 29 minutes. Mate 30 Pro is number one. So it actually takes the number one spot at an hour 29 minutes, and the iPhone finishes at an hour 52, coming in second. And last but not the least is our good friend, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, at 2 hours and 42 minutes. As you guys can see, the 27-watt wireless charger is impressive, finishing at an hour 29 minutes. Look, that is totally awesome for a wireless charger. The Galaxy's 18-watt charger took about 2 hours and 42 minutes, which is, it's par for the course. But the iPhone, of course, we know the iPhone's around an hour 52. Some people have got an hour 45, but it's clear This is the fastest wireless charger. And also the Huawei Mate 30 Pro also charges the fastest wirelessly at an hour 29, and it beats the iPhone wired 18-watt charger. So if you have any questions or any comments, or you'd like to see more tests like this, or you want to throw any opinions on this test, leave those down below. Otherwise, stay tuned for more content we have on the channel. And again, leave suggestions, guys. But what do you think about the 27-watt charger? And would you like to see fast wireless charging speeds like this in more, of course, high-end devices? Leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.